Hey guys, Sam here from Ecommerce.com. In this video, you're going to learn how to craft a product description for your e-commerce store. I'm going to walk through creating a description for your own store and your own customers, and then I'm going to show you some real life examples of real life product descriptions. First, let's think about the purpose of your description. Your description is there to educate your customers, to build trust, show the value of your product, and boost your SEO and organic rankings. But honestly guys, don't overthink it. It is exactly what it says it is. It's a description of your product. So how do you write a good product description? Okay, first thing, you're going to have to write it for your own unique customers. If you're stuck what to write, I'm going to show you some examples in a moment, but consider these questions. You can honestly even create your description by answering these questions as the actual text. 1. What is it? What are you actually selling? What is your product? Imagine if someone walked into a store, a real life store, and asked you what this product is. How would you describe it to that person? 2, how does it actually work? 3, how can it actually help your customer? 4, why should they buy this product? Are there any other details they should know about this product? Like I said, you can even use these questions as the actual text and basis for your description. But honestly, there's no hard and fast rule. There's no group of description police that are going to come after you if you don't have your description like everybody else's. The most important thing, guys, is to create your description for your own customers. Okay, before I jump into some real life examples, let's consider a few other points for your own description. 1, I already said this already, but I need to say it again. Think about your customers. Who is going to buy your product? Start with your audience, the buyers. Think about what they would need to know when viewing a product description. The description describes the product, so what do they want to know? The next thing to consider are the benefits of the product. What value does it give your customers? Translate the features of your product into benefits and highlight them in the description. 3, what are the keywords your customers are looking for? Okay guys, when someone views a product page, they're going to be scanning this page to see, does this product page help me? Does it have the information I need? Is it the product I want? And often they're looking for certain keywords, even without realizing it. These keywords that they're looking for might be something like a brand, a model, a feature, or a benefit. And just by having these keywords in there, of course you don't want to stuff them in there, but have them in there naturally is going to help people scan, see that this is the product for them, and then make that buying decision. Okay, so the next main point, number 4, is what story are you trying to tell? Many great descriptions create a visual experience in their customer's mind's eye. This means that they can sell the product not just based on the material aspects of that product, but how it solves the internal and external and even philosophical problems of the customer. This is getting into some more deep marketing stuff, but a lot of the products that I'm going to show you in a moment actually do this subtly with their product descriptions. The last and the 5th point here is so important: spelling errors. Make sure that you check your product descriptions. There's no spelling, grammar mistakes, and especially formatting. So many people will copy their description from a Word doc or from a supplier website, and it won't be formatted properly. It looks terrible and incredibly unprofessional. I recommend using the software Grammarly. It's a free app that you can use to check all your spelling. It's amazing. I use it for all my content. I'll leave a link down below. Okay guys, let's look at some actual product descriptions and why they are so good. Alright guys, we're now in my computer. Let's take a look at some Ecom website product descriptions. This one here is for a stroller, a pram, basically this big product here. It's a high ticket item. And let's go through their product description right now so you can see what other people are doing that's really working. So this one says, stroll those city streets in style with Wayfarer 2020, perfect for urban lifestyles. Our best-selling travel system is now even lighter with a great new look. So now you can see from this first paragraph here who they're targeting: people in the city, people that care about style, people that have urban lifestyles. And as we keep going through this, we can see all the benefits and features and how well they really understand their customers. It's effortless to push a maneuver. The quick compact fold means travel and storage is easy. The restyle design features a striking high polished chassis combined with premium soft sheen fabrics. You can see here it's all showing the benefits, but also doing it from the angle of knowing their customers and knowing what their customers want. Their customers want some sort of mechanism that folds really quickly, that's easy to store, easy to travel with, and looks really, really good basically. And that's what they've done in this product description here. They've not just told the features and benefits, but they've done so in a way that matters to their customers. Now, of course, it's just a product description. They're just describing the product, but they can only do so in this way because they know who they're selling to. The next example here is from Pandora. These guys are selling these rings here, and you can see from the product description here, it's also very small, very simple, just describes the product. Go for a glamorous look with the pink sparkling crown solitaire ring, hand finished in Pandora rose, 14 karat rose gold plated unique metal blend. This pink crown ring is inspired by the Pandora monogram featuring one. So all this stuff, it means almost nothing to me because I'm not really interested in this sort of stuff. But for one of their customers, they're using all these keywords. They're using all this descriptive language that's going to really mean something for someone that knows rings because they're buying one. Okay, it's describing the product because it's a product description, but it's also selling it. A piece fit for royalty, stand out in this eye-catching design. So they know what their customers want. Their customers want to make a statement. Their customers want to stand out and people to notice that they've got this piece of jewelry. Same thing for your product description here. Think about the features, the benefits, describe the product, but also think about what is the state that that person wants to achieve. Of course, someone isn't just buying this just to have a bit of metal and a bit of shiny stuff. They're doing it because of the status symbol, for the attention it's going to bring, and for what it actually means. If it's an engagement ring or if it's just a ring in itself, what it actually means, maybe it means that they're wealthy, they've got high status, or they're fashionable. It really depends on the person, of course, but you can see that it's more than just a little piece of metal. It's not more than just a piece of material, okay? The next example I have here are for some sheets, okay? A very, very simple sort of product. Scrolling down to the product description, very, very simple, just a few sentences. Featuring a rich, buttery smooth weave. They're really selling how soft, smooth, silky potentially these sheets are because people want comfort, okay? The ultimate bedding upgrade. So it's trying to show that this is an elite sort of product. It's a step up from what people probably currently have. Perfect for elevating your sheet game. Yep, that's right. These sheets feature a luxurious 480 thread count and slightly luminous finish. Even better, save 25% by getting into the bundle. So they're doing a bit of an upselling here by trying to increase the average order value. But yeah, you can see that they understand who they're selling to. People that really want to buy luxurious, luxury level sheets, which I totally understand. And it describes the product. And then it has more specifications down here so people can easily scan and see these sort of features. And this product page here is for movement. These guys sell these watches here, and scrolling to the actual product description of movement icons. So I'm guessing this is probably a very popular product. The Chrono 45mm brings a sleek minimalism to a traditional aviation timepiece with a bold 6-hand chronograph movement on a clean dial built to make a statement. So it's a very, it's very clear that they're selling to a certain sort of person, probably a dude, they're probably selling to a guy, so it's all about being bold, being strong. It's got these features here featuring a signature movement color combo, gunmetal, steel, sandstone leather, and pops of movement blue on the dial. So it just describes the features of the actual product. This one doesn't go too deep into the actual vision or the actual state that it creates in a person. It is created with that customer in mind. These guys that are reading this that want to be bold and want to make a statement, I can totally get that as well. So there are the different examples, guys. You can see that it's not too complicated. Just think about your customers and describe the product. That's it for this video, guys. I hope that was helpful for learning about your product descriptions. If it was, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and check out my other videos about how to grow your e-commerce store with practical and authentic advice. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.